Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start GK Unit D Arts and Musics, chapter number 18, Celebrities Who Care. Do you know these celebrities? Choose your answer from those given in the clue box. So let me start. Number 1. This famous actor, director is regarded as a messenger of peace for rousing people across the world to find out more about the crisis in Darfur, Sudan. So who is this? Is George Clooney. A leading actress in Indian cinema, she is supporter of the rights of slum dwellers. She have also campaigned against ostracizing the victims of AIDS. So who is she? Shabana Azmi. This Colombian singer, whose songs include Loca, has set up a foundation to help school children with their education in her homeland. So, she is Shakira. Number 4, he is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the history of the world. He owns Microsoft and has set up NGOs all over Africa. So, he is Bill Gates. This one. Okay. Number 5. This actor has starred in many martial art films such as Rush Hour and Karate Kid and has been equated half his assist to charity in his will, which is estimated to be at 64 million. ठीक है ना, ये वहां की करेंसी है चाइनीज की. सो ही इज जैकी चैन. Okay, so this chapter is end here. Let's begin and start the next chapter. Chapter number 19. Painter's Gallery. So, match the painters with their paintings by writing the correct letters in the boxes. तो जो पेंटर हैं उनको मैच करेंगे उनकी सही पेंटिंग से. तो सबसे पहले आता है सनफ्लावर्स. विंसेंट वैन गो, सी. Guernica. Second, this is E. Pablo Picasso. Number 3, Shakuntala Raja Ravi Verma, A. ठीक है. Number 4 is Mona Lisa, C is F. Leonardo da Vinci, F. This one. Number 5, water lilies at Giverny, this is B. Claude Monet, this B. Last one, the persistence of memory, Salvador Dali, D. So here are some fun. Find the names of these Indian painters in the world grid. So let me start. Number 1, Amrita Shergill. So let's search. 1. This is Amrita Shergill. इसके लिए हम रेड कलर चूज कर लेते हैं. नंबर 2, Jamini Roy. Where is it? This is Amrita Shergill. Now second one is Jamini Roy. Here. Okay. Now number 3, M.F. Hussain. Where is he? This one. M.F. Hussain. Okay. Number 3, Nanda Lal Bose. Here. Okay. Next, Anjali Ella Menon. ये देखिए सबसे ऊपर है टॉप पे. Okay, so next one, Jatin Das here. Jatin Das. Okay, and last one, Manjeet Bawa. So search it. This one. Done. So the puzzle is done. Okay. So this chapter is in here. Now let's begin next chapter, chapter number 20. Dance form. Dancers are performing artists. Their very colorful art forms have engaged and thrilled audience since ages. Puppetry, ये puppet show होता है ना? Puppetry seems to have existed in almost all civilizations since times unknown, be it the bunraku of Japan or the marionettes of Italy or the famous Rajasthani puppets of India. Okay, performances with colorful puppets are among the most favorite forms of storytelling. इससे क्या होता है puppet show से पूरी story समझ में आ जाती है. ये एक story telling है. Now theater. Theater involves live performance where a story is told theatrically to the audience watching. The ancient Greeks were the first theater goers. They gathered in hundreds and sat on hillsides to watch tragedies and comedies unfold before them. William Shakespeare is one of the most famous playwrights of the world. Next one is ballet dance. Okay, ballet was first developed as an art form in the 1600s in France. Grand orchestras, spectacular costumes, and stage scenery are essential elements of this graceful dance. From Swan Lake and the Nutcracker are some of the most famous ballets. So this is the ballet dance. Okay, next topic is Odissi. Odissi is one of the 8 classical dance forms of India. It originates from the state of Odisha in eastern India. It is a dance of devotion and replicates the graceful and sensuous postures found on classical temple sculptures. It is danced to expressive music such as Geet Govin. Now the next one is Kathak. Kathak originated as a dance. In some beliefs it evolved from Lord Krishna's Ras Leela. Okay, so the next one, Satriya is one among 8 principal classical Indian dance traditions, whereas some of the other traditions have been revived in the recent past. Satriya has remained a living tradition. So here are some quiz. The solve. Here are new clue box, no clue box. Chali. A dummy is a puppet operated by a person. Okay. While the person says the dialogues, it appears as though the dummy saying them. Name that person मतलब ये है कि एक डमी होता है, उस पर्सन के हाथ में बोलता तो वो पर्सन है, बट ऐसा लगता है कि उसके हाथ में जो डमी है वो बात कर रहा है. पता भी नहीं चलता कि जो जिसने ये डमी लिया है वो व्यक्ति बोल रहा है. तो क्या नाम है उसका? This is ventriloquist. N-T-R-I-L-L. What's the name? Is double L-I-O-Q-I-O-Q-U-I-T-E. Okay. What is full turn of the body on the point of the toe called in ballet? This is pirouette. P-I-R-O-Q-U-E-T-T-E. Number 3. The Poetics is the earliest surviving work of dramatic theory from ancient Greece. Who was its author? So he is the author. Libretto. An opera performance combines musical scores and a text. What is the text called? This is audience for 2 people. Number 4. Number 2. What is the full turn of the body on the point of the toe called in ballet? This is Aristotle. Number 3. The Poetics is the earliest surviving work on dramatic theory from. This is the quiz time. Number 1. A dummy is a puppet operated by a person. While the person says the dialogues, it appears as though the dummy is saying them. Name that person. So he is ventriloquist. V-E-N-T-R-I double L-O-Q-U-I V-E-N-T-R-I-O-Q-U-I-E-T. Okay, now number 2. What is a full turn of the body on the point of the toe called in a ballet? This is pirouette. Number 3. The Poetics is the earliest surviving work of dramatic theory from ancient Greece. Who was its author? So the author name is Aristotle. Number 4. An opera performance combines musical scores and a text. What is the text called? This is libretto. Number 5. In ballet, what is pas de deux? So it is a dance for 2 people. A dance for 2 people. Ballet dance 2 लोगों का होता है. Kuchipudi and Kathak are classical dances of which country? India. The last one, 7. Who wrote the famous play A Midsummer Night's Dream? William Shakespeare. Okay, so the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 21. Chapter number 21, at the movies. Take this quiz to find out how big a movie buff you are. Which animated film is about an old man and his dream to live by Paradise Falls? It's called UP. Number 2, which was the first Indian 3D movie? Chhota Chetan. Number 3, in the movie Star Wars, what was the Darth Vader's name before he becomes a cyborg? So he is Anakin Skywalker. Number 4, which river provides the backdrop in the movie Anaconda? This is number 4, River Amazon. Number 5. In which movie does Julie Andrews play the role of Maria? Sound of Music. Number 6. By what name was Norma Jean Mortensen better known? This is Marlene Monroe. Number 7. Who directed the film Bend It Like Beckham? So his Gurinder Chadha. Gurinder Chadha. Number 8. Which Kamal Hassan film by inspired by the Hollywood film Mrs. Doubtfire, Chachi 420? Which actor played the role of Jay in the film Sholay? Amitabh Bachchan. Number 10. Which country does Jackie Chan originally hail from? China. Number 11. Who plays Gandalf in the film series The Lord of the Rings? This is Ian McKellen. Number 12. In the movie Mulan, what is the name of the dragon that helps Mulan to train for the war? Musha. This is Mushu. This is Mushu. So, the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Center stage. So, let me start chapter number 22, center stage. Let's come. Harry Houdini is one of the most recognizable name in which field of performing arts. So, magic. Number 2. In which of these dance forms of India do dancers usually wear a mask? Chow. Who is believed to be the author and compiler of the ancient treatise of performing arts, Natya Shastra? This is Bharata Muni. In which of these parts of India's Jatra, a popular form of theatre, which A. West Bengal, B. Rajasthan, or C. Kerala? This is West Bengal. Number 5. No and Kabuki are traditional theatrical form of which country? So, number 5, this is Japan, B. Number 6, who among these is not a well-known mime artist or silent actor? So, who is he? A, B or C? Number 6, C. Chris Angel. Number 7, which famous playwright, actor and director the famous play Charan Das Chor? Habib Tanvir. Number 8, who has written the famous play Dance Like a Man and Final Solution? C. Arvind God. So, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very understand all chapters. Now let's begin the chapter number 23. Great music composer. Music is a combination of sounds that is usually pleasing to the ears. It can be produced by a singer, a musical instrument, or even a wind chime. The composer writes musical notation, musical theory, instrumentations, and handling musical ensembles. Choose from the clue box and read the clues to name these famous music composer. So number 1, this famous sitar player and music composer played a key role in popularizing Indian music in the Western world. He has been awarded the Bharat Ratna and is the winner of 3 Grammy Award. This is Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is Ravi Shankar. Answer is correct. Number 2. This Indian violinist, composer and music conductor is internationally famous for his techniques of classical, Carnatic as well as Western classical music composition. He is L. Subramaniam. This famous musician from Assam sang about humanity and universal brotherhood. He was awarded the Padam Shri, Padam Vibhushan posthumously in November 2011. So he is Sachin Dev Varman, Ravi Shankar is done. Bhupen Hazarika. This Grammy-nominated film composer, jazz musician and keyboardist is often known as the godfather of Indian jazz. So, who is Louis Banks? So, answer is Louis Banks. Number 5. He is perhaps one of the most well-known music composers of the Indian film industry. His son Pancham followed as legacy and become a popular music composer as well. Sachin Dev Burman. So, the all chapter of this unit all covered here. I hope you all are very understand this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.